आपने कहाँ ज्वाइन किया? दिसंबर 15 में आपने ज्वाइन कहाँ किया? सो यू ज्वाइंड एट सीहोर इन December 15.
15.
Yes.
And not in 15. I joined in 17, 16, sir.
You are an employee.
Yeah.
The court does not need to give any instruction. There are lakhs of state government employees. Daily they don't seek instruction from the High Court to go and join their duties. मैडम आपने कहा ना हमने रिपोर्ट किया, इन्होंने ज्वाइनिंग नहीं ली, वो कहाँ का है? भोपाल में किया आपने रिपोर्ट या आपने सीहोर में रिपोर्ट? आपने मेल में क्या लिखा था?
मेल में बहुत गंदा गंदा लिखा हुआ है कि हमने नहीं लिखा है, हमारी मेल हैक की गई थी शनिवार के दिन ऑफिस खोलकर।
ये सब एब्सेंस के फैक्ट्स तो बताइए, कब से कब तक एब्सेंट रहे, क्या हुआ, क्यों रहे एब्सेंट, कुछ तो बताइए।
जी। However, it is pertinent to mention that the petitioner was on leave on various medical grounds from 8/5/2015 to 28/8/2015। इस बीच हाई कोर्ट में डिफरेंट ऑर्डर्स थे।
आपका ट्रांसफर हुआ था कहीं से कहीं पे?
हाँ, भोपाल से सीहोर।
भोपाल से सीहोर ट्रांसफर हुआ
जी।
कब हुआ था? ट्रांसफर को आपने चैलेंज किया था?
हाँ जी, हाई कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया था। एंड एनेक्सर P7 and P8 पेज 57 to 61।
What is the date of transfer order? 7/10/14.
That's right.
And petition dismissed on 17/4/15. उसका इंटरिम ऑर्डर भी खत्म हो गया होगा।
The writ appeal was dismissed, my lord.
तो after dismissal of writ appeal she absented.
Yes, my lord. She filed a second round of writ petition. That was also dismissed. Second round of appeal was also dismissed. All those orders have annexed, my lord.
So ultimately where you joined?
In fact, she could not join because on 31/8
कभी तो ज्वाइन किया होगा ना फिर आपने?
नहीं,
कब join किया फिर आपने? दिसंबर में
बाद में
join
ज्वाइन किया था।
Actually, what happened in 2014, I was transferred to Indore. But as I'm a single mother and my mother also was suffering from cancer, so I requested the company to be there only. Because there's a rule that if a lady is in a problem, they can post her over there only. But I was not posted. Then I appeared in the court and requested the court. It was
नहीं, वो तो देख ली मैडम। You did not get relief from the courts ultimately. When did you join at सीहोर? सीहोर ज्वाइन किया क्या आपने?
What happened? I got the relief from the court, and they asked the company to again take my application and decide on it. But till date, it has not been decided. And
आपने कहाँ ज्वाइन किया? दिसंबर 15 में आपने ज्वाइन कहाँ किया?
I joined in Sihor. That too, I requested the CMD.
So you joined at सीहोर in December 15.
15.
Yes.
And not in 15. I joined in 17, 16, sir. 15 December, I think so, I joined there. And in 17, they dismissed me. Because actually, the person who has dismissed me, sir, he's a scale 6 person and he can't dismiss me. Actually, the rules are there that scale 5 can dismiss me is because he is the appointing authority of class 1. And this is the rule that first he should dismiss me, then he can put up the case to the scale 6 and they had to finalize it. But they didn't do that. He himself assumed himself and he dismissed me directly. That was it. Later on, when I brought this in the knowledge of the court, they have produced a wrong affidavit.
DGM is a scale 6.
DGM is scale 6, but he is not allowed to dismiss directly.
But he is appointing authority.
My appointing authority is scale 5.
Scale 5.
When scale 1 is appointed by scale 5. So, it was only scale 5.
From where we can get it that appointing
We have got it.
No,
first.
for you appointing authority is scale 6 as per the schedule.
No, sir.
You have filed the schedule P17.
Look here, sir. This is disciplinary authority is scale 5 actually, and that
appointing is a scale 6.
And appointing authority is 6. Now, what happens then if scale 5 has to dismiss the person and he has to recommend it to the appointing authority, and then appointing authority, after looking on all the papers, decides whether that person.
But that is not. Okay, we'll consider that. What is the next round?
They come directly and he was not disciplinary authority, but he has signed as disciplinary authority. And when we brought this point on the court, he wrote in the order. Counselor replied that he assumed himself. How a person can assume himself? That is a wrong concept. It is a very wrong thing that he can't assume himself.
Now let's see the charges against you. Charge sheet is the next.
I was on leave. They say I was on unauthorized leave. But I was not on unauthorized leave because in 15 High Court, I fought myself. I stood there and sir, gave me a chance that it should be decided by the company again. But they didn't do it and they didn't allow me to join.
But madam, did the High Court grant you any interim relief?
No, they had given the court order was there that I have to give the application again. My counsel-
But was there any interim relief? So till such time your application was not being decided, you were bound to join at Sihor.
No, not that was not there. Only they have to decide it. They
Until
have
that,
not given me any instruction to join anywhere.
no, you are an employee.
Yeah,
The court does not need to give an instruction.
yeah.
There are lakhs of state government employees. Daily they don't seek instruction from the High Court to go and join their duties.
No, it's okay. I couldn't join it because they have filed a case in Bhopal where they had said that I can't join the office. There was a
मैंडेटरी इंजेक्शन ले लिया था सर उन्होंने पेज हमारा जो एडिशनल आर्गुमेंट्स है पेज एनेक्सर P14 पेज 151 इसमें
Those, and that application, I have an objection, my lord. That's not taken on record because there's
Which page?
this additional.
एडिशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स एनेक्सर P14 151 पेज नंबर 151
Because there's
ये
no
अपील में
pleadings.
इनका जो मैंडेटरी इंजंक्शन डिसमिस हुआ था भोपाल कोर्ट से तो शी कुड नॉट ज्वाइन बिकॉज दे हैव टेकन द मैंडेटरी इंजंक्शन and she was afraid and when she reached the office they called the police also on 31 अगस्त 2015 31 अगस्त 2015 they called the police also
ये तो आपका सूट रिजेक्ट हो गया.
ये इनका रिजेक्ट हुआ है इन्होंने मैंडेटरी इंजंक्शन लिया था जो 2 बार अपील में फर्स्ट अपील भी गए थे 41 में और उसके बाद अभी सेकंड अपील में पेंडिंग है यहाँ
नहीं, वो मैंडेटरी छोड़िए. आप ये बताइए कि आपको स्टे कब मिला था कि आप सीहोर ज्वाइन ना करें या आपने सीहोर का भी रिपोर्ट किया और आपको ज्वाइन ना
इसलिए
करें?
नहीं था ये कहा था कि एक्सटेंट रेगुलेशन पे कोर्ट ने कहा था कि एक्सटेंट
मैडम आपने कहा ना हमने रिपोर्ट किया, इन्होंने ज्वाइनिंग नहीं ली. वो कहाँ का है? भोपाल में किया आपने रिपोर्ट या आपने सीहोर में रिपोर्ट?
put it in Bhopal that I want to join, but they didn't allow me to.
So
do that.
you are bound to report at सीहोर.
Actually, sir, how I can, when the CMD has the power, when I have given the court order to them, it was his duty to give me a letter that where I should join. Because till that time it was not clear because according to the court they had to decide again. They should have given me a letter that you again, according to the court, we are not accepting your application to join at Seoul. But they didn't give me, sir. Really, I asked the CMD that, sir, let me at least join somewhere, let me join me in Seoul. All the letters are there. Then finally I joined in Seoul. I myself joined, sir. They didn't allow me. Even I went there, the letters are there, they refused my letters. Then I contacted CMD and
No, whether it happened so that you went at सीहोर and they did not allow you to join
they didn't allow me to join.
at सीहोर.
At Seoul also.
Where is that letter?
Letter is
Where
there.
is that? Show.
Yeah.
बताइए ना कौन सा लेटर है?
Sir,
सीहोर का नहीं
सीहोर का भी है 16 में ज्वाइन किया था जब 15 को हमें मिला 15 में हम
There's
joined
no
court.
pleading with regards to those facts, my lord.
नहीं, that facts are there, sir. No.
If there's some document, we can look into that. कोई है डॉक्यूमेंट ऐसा कि आपने सीहोर में गए हो ज्वाइन ना कराया?
का letter, sir.
सीहोर का लेटर ट्रांसफर लेटर जो है आप जब ज्वाइन की थी दिया था
हाँ.
सीहोर आपका ज्वाइन की मदद किया सीहोर से रोकने का कोई लेटर करने भी नहीं लगाया
नहीं,
अगर
हमने लिखा है उसके अंदर से. हाँ. It is there.
वो कोई अभी लेटर इस फाइल में नहीं है लॉर्डशिप अगर इनके पास है तो मैं लगा दूँ
ठीक है, बाद में देखेंगे. हाँ बताइए, आगे बताइए.
Most important is that she was dismissed. The main charge was that she has sent some derogatory mail to the CMD. This charge was not substantiated because most important is that when she asked कि भाई मैंने 31 फला तारीख को अगर कोई मेल भेजी है जो डिस्प्यूटेड मेल है तो वो मेल का आप IP लॉग्स दे दीजिए. तो इनके अधिकारी ने रिप्लाई दिया है कि वी डू नॉट मेंटेन IP लॉग्स विच इज ए मैंडेटरी प्री रिक्विजिट.
No, what is the distance between भोपाल and सीहोर?
सीहोर से एक मेल है कोई थी
नहीं, सीहोर से भोपाल का कितनी दूरी है?
40 kilometers, sir. And there is a rule that you can't go up, can't do up and down over there. You have to stay there. And it was very difficult for me to move my mother who was in cancer state to Seoul. Otherwise, I could have, if they had allowed me, I could have gone in the morning and come back in the evening. But later on, they allowed me. After when I joined, they allowed me for that. Actually, the rule is that you have to stay there, and it is a CDA rule that if the person does not stay over there, the action can be taken by the company.
लॉर्डशिप, इनका अथोराइज लीव को लेकर जो है, इन्होंने एडिशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स में भी जो मेल लगाए हैं वो भी दे कैन नॉट सब्सटेंशिएट, नीदर दे कैन सब्सटेंशिएट नॉर कॉरोबोरेट, बिकॉज इनका तो एक ही बात, हर बात के पीछे एक बात ही कहना है कि इन्होंने जब आईटी डिपार्टमेंट लिखा कंपनी, तो AK सिंह जी का जवाब है कि वी डू नॉट मेंटेन IP लॉग्स। तो कोई भी चीज अगर हम झूठ भी बोलना चाहें या वो झूठ बोलना चाहे तो सब्सटेंशिएशन हो गई नहीं ना। वो तो ये कह रहे हैं कि साहब हम IP लॉग्स मेंटेन नहीं करते हैं। तो मैं योर ऑनर वो पेज बता रहा हूँ जहाँ पे इन्होंने कहा है कि हम IP लॉग मेंटेनेंस नहीं करते। वो मैंडेटरी प्रीरिक्विजिट है, उसका हमने साइबर लॉ में कंपनसेशन का केस भी ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट में लगा हुआ है, वो साइबर कंपनसेशन का।
क्या मेल में, आपने मेल में क्या लिखा था?
मेल में,
हाँ,
मेल में बहुत गंदा गंदा लिखा हुआ है कि आई कीप माई जॉब ऑन माई फुट, और वो चेयरमैन को हमने नहीं लिखा है। हमारी मेल हैक की गई थी शनिवार के दिन ऑफिस खोलकर, और वो ग्राउंड लिया है। जब हमने कहा भाई चलो हमने मेल करी है ना, तो आप IP लॉग दे दो, तो सब्सटेंशिएट हो जाएगा कि हमने भेजी है ना। तो वो IP लॉग दे नहीं रहे हैं। पहले वो बोले कि RTI एक्ट के 8A और फलाने धारा में हम आपको नहीं दे सकते, वो भी एनेक्सर लगे हुए हैं लॉर्डशिप। दूसरा बोले कि वी डू नॉट मेंटेन IP लॉग्स। अच्छा, इसमें से चार्ज 3 और 4 तो इन्होंने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया।
आपने मेल में ऐसा कुछ लिखा है कि आई कीप माई जॉब ऑन माई फुट एंड आई कैन कमिट सुसाइड, इस तरह का कुछ है?
हाँ, वो उसमें लिखा हुआ, उन्होंने जो मेल है, हमने नहीं मेल भेजी
इसकी
है।
डेट क्या है इस मेल की?
हाँ, मैं बता दूँ, 13/9/2014 नीचे ट्रेल मेल है उसमें लॉर्डशिप। सेकंड हमारी मेल है, ऊपर उनकी ट्रेल मेल।
Excuse me, sir.
पढ़ लो।
One thing I want to say that if a person against whom that complaint is there, FIR is there, your complaint is there, and court has taken action, how that person can dismiss me? That doesn't allow
Against whom FIR was there?
action. Already in that very moment, I had complaint against AK Singh and Mr. SK Jain, my senior divisional manager, in the cyber bid. And it was the duty of the company to look out and give the details to them, but they didn't do it because the problem started from here only.
इनको लॉर्डशिप इम्प्लीड भी किया है ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट ने, बीइंग ए नेसेसरी पार्टी। डिप्टी जनरल मैनेजर AK सिंह को इम्प्लीड भी किया है।
नहीं, ये
वो
कहाँ पे
आरोपी।
पोस्टेड थे? AK सिंह कहाँ पोस्टेड थे? इंदौर?
हाँ, अभी रिटायर हो गए।
इंदौर पोस्टेड थे?
हाँ जी।
आप तो भोपाल पोस्टेड थी। इनका
Regional manager in Indore.
इन्हीं के अधीन, इन्हीं के अधीन।
तो व्हाट इज द एलिगेशन अगेंस्ट AK सिंह?
Actually, when my this mail was hacked, this Mr. AK Singh called me home. I was at home and I was sick. So he told me कि मैम you do one thing, कि आप ये लिख दिए, आप ये भेजिए कि मैंने ये मेल भेजा है और मेरी BP हाई थी इसलिए मैंने ये मेल भेजा है. He will give you the posting in Bhopal. I said sorry sir, I won't do that. You dismiss it, but I won't write a thing which I have not done. And then I come.
No, but are you alleging that AK Singh sent that mail?
No, yeah, this is a pura group is there. I have given a complaint.
No, but AK Singh was at Indore. You sent the mail from Bhopal.
Sir, it's an IT department. Control is with the Indore regional office, and the IT officer from our office had the power. We can go into my login, and you can do that. And this was done on Saturday, when it was closed.
इंट्रानेट, इनका खुद का इंट्रानेट है।
Everything is controlled at regional officer. And even when these people went to Calcutta, the head office, they refused to give the details. Everything is there in the record.
Okay. Now the charge number 2 is, this is regarding charge number 2, charge number 1. What is charge number 3? Mr. Nair, have you filed the D record?
No, I have not, but I do have. I have not.
You have it?
I do have.
बताइए।
जी
मैडम का क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन होगा इसमें?
She boycotted the inquiry, my lord.
अच्छा।
And sir, one more thing, the inquiry has not been done properly.
बताइए ना, इसमें चार्ज नंबर 2 में लिखा है ऑन अदर हैंड क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन MS प्रवीण प्रकाश डिड रेज एन अनक्वालिफाइड क्वेश्चन। ये कौन से क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन की बात हो रही है?
She was there for few of them, my lord. I'll just. These are the where the witnesses were produced, my lord. The end.
Yes, so one charge is intimidation, one charge absence, one charge TV interview, and one charge is social media. TV इंटरव्यू की ट्रांसक्रिप्ट है, इन्होंने क्या कहा है टीवी इंटरव्यू में?
Transcripts, there is, I'll just check, my lord.
इंटरव्यू की ट्रांसक्रिप्ट होगी ना कि इन्होंने क्या स्टेटमेंट दिया है.
He has not replied to these two charges, which
मिस्टर नेमा कोई ट्रांसक्रिप्ट है इंटरव्यू की, आपने क्या कहा इंटरव्यू में?
they have not shown any transcript during the inquiry, and इन्होंने reply में भी नहीं दिया है. It means that it's deemed admitted. Second is फिर again IP log maintain नहीं करते तो फिर
एग्जिबिट P23 देखिए ना सर.
substantiate नहीं कर सकते उसको.
एग्जिबिट P23
P20.
There is not a single transcript.
That's what I was looking.
नहीं, इंटरव्यू था तो आपका वीडियो होगा इंटरव्यू का तो.
Sir, actually, what happened the day I went to join over there, they didn't allow me. I was sitting on the stairs. I requested
एट
them.
भोपाल.
Bhopal. I was sitting. At least I said, told them, "You take at least the court order and take my application." But everybody, even Pushpa, all these ladies who are there, they refused to take my letter. And then I was sitting on the there, and what happened? I fainted over there. The people over there came, and ETV is in front of my office. They also came to know. They came over there, and when they saw everything,
When this was?
it was
When?
2015, sir.
15,
When court gave me the order to give this order to the to again
Reconsider.
application. That time when I went there, I was sick. I'm a heart patient, sir. But they didn't allow me. They didn't allow me. Even police was called. Then cameras were.
For how much time you worked at Seahole ultimately? 2 years.
Ultimately, I joined in 7 months or 8 months, sir. Because they allowed me to join because they can't suspend me without joining. That's why they allowed me to join over there.
Then they placed you under suspension.
Yeah. And surprisingly, sir, they have given me the PF and gratuity also, which is not applicable because once the case is in court or I'm suspended, they should.
No, you are dismissed. In this, upon dismissal, PF and gratuity is paid.
Unauthorized leave का जो
So what remains to be paid now?
From 16 to 19, and 19th, I was going to retire. All that period, my promotions, all the other benefits, they are still pending. My pension is pending, sir. Everything is pending.
Is it pensionable?
Yeah, it's pensionable. And when it came, I gave the papers
It's contributory pension or pension paid for by LIC, by this company?
by the company only.
Not contributory pension, not EPF.
PF, no, PF is separate.
नहीं, पेंशन EPF से पेंशन who pays the pension? पेंशन कौन पे करता है आपको?
Company pay करती है. We have to give a amount. Some amount is given by the
Contribute.
employee. The rest is given by the company.
Mr. Nair, what is the pension scheme?
My lord, I'll have to check if what the petitioner says is correct and it comes to be contributory pension, my lord. Because,
Yeah.
my lord, I'm not sure, my lord. I'll just check.
Accepted my applications also. Pension applications are still pending, which we have sent to courier to CMD.
How much pension one officer gets?
Sir, at present, if I'll get at least 70,000 per month.
17.
70.
70. After making the contribution.
Yeah. Total amount I'll be getting that much. Because my salary was 1.2 that time. And I was promoted as manager also, and that everything is
इसमें 311 जो है आर्टिकल 3112 का भी वायलेशन किया है. एसके जैन इनके बॉस थे. उनका ही वाज सपोज टू सब्सटेंशिएट कि इनकी अनऑथराइज्ड लिस्ट कब से कब तक की थी, इनको क्रॉस करना था. एसके जैन को प्रेजेंट नहीं किया और बिफोर हैंड जो इंक्वायरी है वो क्लोज कर दी. उसमें
ठीक है, पास ऑर्डर्स में लिखिए आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हर्ड, रिजल्ट फॉर ऑर्डर्स, ये रिकॉर्ड रख लीजिए.
My lord, what your lordship would require the records, my lord?
Yes,
My lord, I'll just pass.
लीव द रिकॉर्ड.
मेरा एक रिटन आर्गुमेंट है लॉर्डशिप, दे सबमिट
हाँ, वो दे दीजिए, रिकॉर्ड के साथ ही रख लीजिए. नेक्स्ट
लॉर्डशिप.